Welcome back, workshop enthusiasts. We're trustedshopguy.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 5 highest rated Westinghouse generators. When talking about power generation, everyone automatically thinks about Westinghouse. The Westinghouse Electric Company has manufactured and marketed their generators since their inception in 1886. This firm has been operating for almost a century, so it's no wonder that they offer a wide range of power generators, from the more common open frame models to more cutting-edge inverter and solar-powered options. In this video, we're ecstatic to share with you some of the most popular models of Westinghouse generators currently available on the market. The team at TrustedShopGuy.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the Westinghouse generators that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options so that you'll be able to decide on the ideal choice. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShopGuy.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first Westinghouse generator in our list is the Westinghouse WGen7500, which our team at TrustedShopGuy.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. The Westinghouse WGen7500 portable generator is a robust and easy-to-use power source to keep your home prepared for any emergency event. We would like to note that it can impressively run for up to 11 hours on a 6.6-gallon gasoline fuel tank while producing 9,500 peak watts and 7,500 running watts. In terms of its size, this generator measures 27.2 by 26.1 by 26 inches and weighs 196 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: effortless starting. The WGen7500 features push-button electric start, conveniently pairing with a wireless remote key fob for effortless ignition. Solid build. The unit is forged with a cast iron sleeve for durability and to protect it from damage. Premium quality motor. It is equipped with a robust 420cc 4-stroke OHV Westinghouse engine for a reliable and continuous source of power. Safety features. This generator is equipped with a built-in fuel gauge for convenient monitoring, an automatic low-oil shutdown, and GFCI household outlets for added protection. VFD data center. With this feature, it is able to transmit real-time maintenance information so that you'll be able to keep the unit in tip-top shape. Hassle-free. The generator has a transfer switch-ready L1430R outlet that connects directly to your home for complete household power. This does away with the burden of cumbersome extension cords or power strips. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is the wheels are made of plastic but are sturdy enough for moving the generator in and out of your garage. The second Westinghouse generator in our list is the Westinghouse WGen4500, which our team at TrustedShopGuy.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. If you need portable power when traveling or camping, the Westinghouse WGen4500 inverter generator is a brilliant power solution. It is perfect for leisure activities and has a backup power source in case of emergencies thanks to its TT30R RV-ready outlet, 220-ampere domestic outlets, and built-in USB ports. As for its size, the generator measures 24.5 by 17.5 by 20 inches and weighs 104.7 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: large capacity tank. It runs for up to 18 hours on a 3.4-gallon gasoline tank, saving you from making multiple visits to the gas station. It's also designed for optimal fuel efficiency with a variable engine speed to deliver the optimal power that you need at any given time. Easy to start. The generator has a push-button electric start and a wireless remote start for convenient ignition. Highly versatile. It has a THD of less than 3%, which makes it ideal for operating mobile devices, laptops, tablets, LCD or plasma televisions, and other sensitive electronics that need clean, reliable power. Real-time information. The LED data center has an automatic rotating digital display to provide you with real-time maintenance information. Conveniently portable. It is incomparably more portable than conventional generators due to its lightweight, compact design with wheels and its extensible suitcase-style handle. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is changing the oil can be a bit hard without a transit oil drain hose. The third Westinghouse generator in our list is the Westinghouse WGen9500DF, which our team at TrustedShopGuy.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. The Westinghouse WGen9500DF portable generator runs on either gasoline or propane and has a maximum output of 12,500 peak watts and 9,500 running watts. It packs enough juice to get you through the day and can go for up to 12 hours on a single fill-up of its 6.6-gallon gas tank. In terms of its size, it measures 27.2 by 26.1 by 26.5 inches and weighs 199.6 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Easy to use. Its push-button electric start makes starting it easy, and the remote start key allows you to get it running from a distance. Data center. This shows the voltage output, frequency, and lifetime hours, so you can stay informed in real time, thus allowing you to perform routine maintenance. Conveniently portable. It comes with a set of sturdy, never flat wheels, a handle, and a lift bracket, making it relatively easy to bring wherever you need it to be. Dual fuel selector switch. With just a turn of a dial, the unit allows effortless switching of fuel sources from gasoline to propane. You can also conveniently switch between the two fuel options even while the generator is running. Convenient features. The generator features a built-in fuel gauge for easy monitoring, an automatic low-oil shutdown for safety, and GFCI outlets for versatility. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is, it is relatively loud but not exactly bothersome. The fourth Westinghouse generator in our list is the Westinghouse WGen3600, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. The Westinghouse WGen3600 portable generator is a trustworthy and efficient portable power solution whether you need a unit to keep you powered while traveling or at home. It has a 4-gallon gasoline fuel tank, allowing the generator to run for up to 14 hours while operating at 3,600 running watts and 4,650 peak watts. As for its size, it measures 23.3 by 22.8 by 21.3 inches and weighs 105 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Powerful engine. The WGen3600 features a powerful 212cc 4-stroke OHV Westinghouse engine, which makes it a robust source of power. Durable features. The generator is constructed with a cast iron sleeve for added durability and longevity. Convenient outlet. It has an RV-ready TT30R 30-ampere outlet that you can easily connect to your travel trailer, allowing you to run the air conditioner and other necessities all day. Easy to transport. The hardened steel frame with added roll bars, foam grip handle, and never flat wheels allow for easy transport whenever, wherever. Environmental friendly. It has rubber outlet covers to provide added protection from the harsh weather conditions. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is, be sure to have a screwdriver ready so that you can spread the cotter pin that secures the wheel axle for easier insertion. The fifth Westinghouse generator on our list is the Westinghouse WGen2500, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. The Westinghouse WGen2500 portable inverter generator has a peak output of 2,200 watts and a running output of 1,800 watts, making it ideal for use as a backup power source at home or for recreational purposes. It can simultaneously power the majority of large appliances, including refrigerators, as well as any other home necessities you might need as you travel. In terms of its size, the generator measures 19.8 by 11.4 by 17.9 inches and weighs 46 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Powerful engine. The 4-stroke OHV Westinghouse engine found in the WGen2500 is smart enough to sense when it needs to rev higher or lower to provide precisely the right level of power while still maintaining efficiency. Portable features. It can be moved about with little effort because of lightweight, and it also comes equipped with a carrying handle. Community friendly. The noise level produced by the generator can be as low as 52 decibels, making it suitable for use in residential areas where noise is a concern. Highly versatile. It reliably powers sensitive electronics like plasma or LCD televisions, computers, tablets, and mobile phones by generating clean, stable power at less than 3% total harmonic distortion. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is, it takes a bit more fiddling to get the oil fill, but you'll get used to it after some tries. And there you have it, folks, our 5 highest rated Westinghouse generators, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next Westinghouse generator roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshop great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.